We have a 1-year-old male there, fell from a toy horse, does have a laceration to his head, bleeding is controlled. BLS priority recommended. You will be on SD EMS. Your second call will be at 6064 Old Beattie between Applewood and Robinson. You have a motor vehicle accident there. One person complaining of leg pain. That incident will be on SD Tech 4. For control of rapids, you have 2 calls. Your first call, a 1-year-old fell with a head laceration, bleeding controlled, BLS priority. That's on FD EMS. Your second call is a motor vehicle accident, 6064 Old Beattie between Applewood and Robinson. That's going to be 2 vehicles, 1 female complaining of leg pain. That incident will be FD Tech 4, 1842 Niagara County Fire.